the minivan, 2009 Toyota Sienna. Here's the oil pan, and this is the transmission pan, exhaust, and there's the plate I can remove and inspect the flex plate between the engine and the transmission, because there's a rattling noise when the car is on 1000 RPM or so. Every time I accelerate a little bit, there's a kind of rattling noise. You can listen to that video. And so now we're gonna check this one and see if there is a bad flex plate or so. There's 2mm bolt, 10 millimeter bolts here, two of them. So I'm gonna remove this and inspect this one. Okay, now I remove those 10mm bolts. Now I can remove this plate, and now we can have an access to the flex plate, so you can see this is the flex plate here, this one. Now I'm gonna have somebody to start the engine, and I'm gonna listen to this here. Okay, while or rotating the engine, you can see if there is any crack or bad. See the teeth here, you see those are the teeth, and we will see if this is loose or cracked or broken. I have no idea. We'll check it out right away. Okay. A little bit gas. Good. A little bit gas, not much. See that noise? See? Good. Okay. So, to inspect this place, see if you touch it, see any wiggling, or loose. Those bolt here, you see the bolt. There are also some bolts here. This one, this is like 12mm. I'm gonna check it to see if there is any bolt. We have to rotate the engine manually, clockwise, so we can test each bolt of those. Now if this is bad, that'll be a lot of work, because you need to remove everything here to access this. But so also in the meantime, I'm gonna inspect the teeth, you see, while rotating by hand slowly, and to check those teeth. So let's check each one. Now first we have to rotate to rotate the engine by hand manually. You see the crankshaft beneath there, over there. I think that's 22mm. 22mm. So we can't access here because this is very small area, and the socket with the ratchet cannot fit over there. Very small area. So we're gonna do it from beneath. If you open the wheel, the passenger side wheel, it's easy access, but also you need to remove the cover. See, now we're gonna remove this cover, this piece here. That's why if you remove the wheel, but we have the car on a ramp, and we can't remove the wheel, So we're gonna have to keep the wheel on and then remove this cover and see hopefully if we can have an access to the crankshaft pulley so we can rotate the engine clockwise slowly until we check the complete this thing here, this one. And this cover is off now. Yeah.
That's it. That's good
Okay.
enough right there.
So can you have an access there?
Oh yeah, I definitely have access now actually.
Okay, good. I'm gonna give you this. Let's check if we can this is 22 millimeter. See if it's gonna fit. Yeah, fits. Good. Now I'm gonna give you the ratchet.
Alright.
And we're gonna have to rotate clockwise.
This way.
Yeah. So here you see now we are rotating the engine from here, from the crankshaft, and I'm gonna check here. Rotate a little bit. Look more a little bit. See this? Good. That's it. Now I'm gonna check this bolt, and I'm gonna inspect. First, let's check the bolts. See if they are okay. This is probably 12. So it is, I think this is 14.
14, eh?
Yeah, 14.
Alright, I'll go get that edge.
Let me check this. So here's the first one is good, it's very tight. Now let's remove. Continue rotating. Here's the second one. Okay, let's a little bit more. Tiny. A little bit more, a little bit. Good. Let's check this one. That's good. It's tight. Continue. Here's the third one. Good. I think this one has a. You can mark them so you don't have to go over again. That's good. It's tight. Let's continue. And here's the fourth one. Good. That's tight. Okay, good. No problem. Continue. I'm gonna now inspect the teeth. See that? Slowly go. Yeah, keep going. This is the volt we're gonna mark. Slowly, yeah. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Good, keep going. Okay. So we're gonna have to check all the bolts, all the teeth. Okay. Gas. Good. The noise is still on. We expect the flex plate is okay, but something wrong